Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna show to you how to use picture lookup in Microsoft Excel. So in this region, first of all, create your summary according to your employee ID or your data. Then select this picture cell and type equal and type vlookup. Then bracket open. You can see vlookup function syntax. Our first argument is lookup value, this employee name, then type comma, then table array. Table array is our employee database table. Select full data from your employee name to picture, then type comma, then column index number. Our column index number is 2, then type comma, then select exact match and then bracket close and hit enter button. Now you will see result. When you select your employee name, you will see the picture according the employee ID. Also you can use in this purpose xlookup function. Okay, now type equal xlookup, then lookup value, this employee name, comma, lookup array, that means this lookup value, that's range. Okay, our lookup array is this name range. Select this name range and type comma, then return array, that means our result array. So our result is need to picture, so select this picture range and bracket close, hit enter. Now you can see the output. So dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.